Number 1. 1994 Ford F250, price $5,900. It has driven 265,000 miles over its lifetime. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 7.5L 460 cubic inch gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission that was rebuilt roughly 15 years ago. Despite its mileage, the truck has proven its durability while maintaining a remarkably clean body and frame for a vehicle of its vintage. Its classic white exterior is complemented by a neat gray interior, where the seats remain in great condition with no tears or rips. It comes well equipped with manually locking hubs and rear airlift air helper springs to assist with heavier loads. The truck is being operated exclusively using its rear fuel tank, a setup that has been working smoothly for a long time. The cabin's air conditioning system does not currently blow cold air, and the driver's side vent window handle has broken, so the window is safely sealed shut for now. Additionally, the rearview mirror is detached, though the seller includes the proper kit to easily reattach it. Complete with an extra set of door keys and a clean Kansas title ready in hand, this classic Ford F250 stands as a reliable, honest workhorse ready for its next owner. Number 2. 2001 Ford F150, price $6,900. It has driven 211,000 miles over the years. Beneath the hood, it features a strong 5.4L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, allowing it to run and drive great. Sporty and stylish, the vehicle boasts a sleek black exterior paired with a matching black interior, both of which remain in very clean condition for its age. The truck rides on a set of tires that are all like new, providing solid traction and performance on the road. Inside the cabin, everything works just as it should, offering modern convenience with an upgraded aftermarket touchscreen radio alongside fully functional cold AC and hot heat. The only notable cosmetic flaw is the window tint, which shows some cracking and could stand to be replaced soon. Aside from that minor detail, this special edition F-150 stands out as an exceptionally well-maintained truck that is fully ready for its next driver. Number 3. 2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, powered by a dependable gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Running exceptionally well, the truck has accumulated 229,000 miles over its lifetime while continuing to deliver reliable everyday performance. One of its greatest advantages is that it is not a rusty Michigan truck, meaning the body and frame have been remarkably well preserved from harsh climate corrosion. Visually, it stands out with a rich burgundy exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, presenting an impressively well-kept appearance both inside and out. Inside the comfortable cabin, the truck comes equipped with an ice-cold air conditioning system to keep every drive pleasant, alongside an integrated radio and audio system for quality entertainment on the road. The vehicle rides on a set of good tires that provide reliable traction, smooth handling, and plenty of tread life remaining. Altogether, this Chevrolet 1500 stands as a clean, rust-free, and well-maintained truck that is fully ready to hit the road with its next owner. Number 4. 1994 Ford F-150, price $5,500, powered by a legendary 4.9L inline-six, 300, gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The vehicle has driven 223,000 miles over its lifespan, yet it continues to run and drive great with a remarkably well-preserved body. Sporting a classic blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, the overall aesthetic remains in really good shape for a truck of its vintage. Crucially, it stands out for its structural integrity, exhibiting no rust and no mechanical leaks whatsoever. Functionally, everything on this pickup works just as it should, offering a dependable and hassle-free driving experience. For added utility and practicality, it also comes equipped with a sturdy truck bed toolbox, perfect for securing equipment and supplies on the go. This all-blue classic Ford F-150 represents a reliable and honest workhorse ready for its next owner. Number 5. 1998 GMC 3500, price $9,200, powered by a massive 454 big block V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Driven a remarkably low 138,000 original miles over its lifespan, it offers exceptional durability combined with a level of low mileage that is becoming increasingly hard to find. The truck showcases classic GMC styling, featuring a bold red exterior matched with a neat brown interior that gives it a clean and authentic vintage look. Whether intended for use as a tough workhorse, a comfortable old-school cruiser, or simply a clean classic GMC to collect and enjoy, this truck delivers great capability and timeless appeal. Number 6. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500, powered by a reliable 6.5L Detroit diesel engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission. The vehicle has driven 150,000 miles over its lifespan and has been well maintained, featuring a fresh oil change, a new fuel filter, as well as a new lift pump and relay harness that primes the fuel system automatically when the key is turned. Visually, it sports a rich burgundy exterior complemented by a silver interior. While the paint shows some age, it remains in really good shape for a 31-year-old truck, and the vehicle operates dependably with only a slight intermittent starter catch, starting up and running great overall. Equipped for utility and heavy-duty performance, the truck comes fitted with brand new tires, new airbags on the rear axle, a heavy-duty bed liner, a headache rack, side steps, and a near-new ranch hand bumper. Number 7. 1986 Ford F250, price $6,000. Having driven 150,000 miles over its lifetime, the truck runs and drives great and exhibits zero rust on either the bed or cab. It wears a rich burgundy exterior with peeling clear coat on top, complemented by a silver interior. The truck upgrades including a dealer option ATS turbocharger and headliner speakers. The truck also rides on a set of virtually new Yokohama Geolandar tires with only a few hundred miles on them. In terms of functional details, the cabin's air conditioning compressor turns on but does not blow cold air, and the radio currently only receives AM stations with a few potentially inactive speakers. Additionally, the power steering pump has a small leak that requires attention. Number 8. 1998 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,200. It has accumulated 220,000 miles over its lifespan. Under the hood, it benefits from an upgraded 5.7L Vortec engine with right around 90,000 miles of operation, paired with a solid 6L80 automatic transmission that has only logged approximately 20,000 miles since installation. Sporting a clean white exterior complemented by a striking red interior, the vehicle presents an attractive, classic look that stands out both inside and out. It runs and drives exceptionally well, with every system and component functioning exactly as it should for a smooth driving experience. Designed to handle both daily drives and heavier tasks with ease, the interior comes well equipped with fully operational cold air conditioning for hot days and hot heat to keep the cabin warm in colder weather. The combination of a proven Vortec engine, a very low-mileage modern transmission, and reliable overall mechanical integrity makes this pickup an outstanding value. Complete with a clear title ready in hand, this Chevrolet 3500 stands as an honest, well-maintained workhorse that is fully prepared to hit the road with its next owner. Number 9. 2000 Ford F-150, price $2,500, powered by a 4.6L V8 gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Having driven 116,000 miles, the truck features a rich chestnut, burgundy, exterior and a parchment, tan, leather interior, complete with a torn driver's seat, a sliding rear window, and a Bluetooth FM transmitter. Built for capability, it is equipped with a 3.55 limited-slip rear axle, 4-wheel ABS, and a Class 3 trailer tow package rated at 6,500 pounds with a 7-pin connector. The cabin's air conditioning blows ice cold, and the instrument cluster displays no warning lights. Recent mechanical updates include a new alternator, battery, starter, and fresh brake lines. Mechanically, the truck experiences a shot exhaust system with the catalytic converters still attached, which causes it to take a minute to reach 55 miles per hour before running smoothly. Additional noted issues include a broken right windshield wiper, non-operating turn signals, a glove box latch that closes selectively, and regular body rust typical for a 2000 F-150. Number 10. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,950, with low mileage of just 125,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by an efficient V6 gasoline engine paired with a classic 5-speed manual transmission, the truck runs perfectly and delivers a remarkably smooth driving experience with absolutely no mechanical issues. Having been in the exact same family since it rolled off the dealership lot in 1991, this single-family vehicle has spent its entire life in Texas, receiving diligent care through regular oil changes and routine service throughout its ownership. The body and frame remain completely clean and solid with no rust whatsoever, reflecting its lifetime in a warm climate and careful garage keeping. Inside the comfortable cabin, it features an ice-cold air conditioning system to handle hot summer days, as well as an upgraded AM/FM/CD stereo fitted with hands-free Bluetooth phone integration for modern convenience.